Hi guys, the house is built but we don't have any power, water, gas, nothing to cook with. I've gotten my hugelkultur prepared years ago, and yes, unfortunately I've had to build a retaining wall, which means that I don't use the edges, which is supposed to be the areas of maximum productivity, but I'm going to try and dry stack a batch rocket stove for cooking here until we get the gas on. And I'm just going to use that dirt to cover the cracks and hopefully prevent too much air ingress. Now our measurements are going to be a bit off. What we got for the about 180 something, 183 for the width of the burn chamber. Should be 187 for a 5-inch, and the length of the burn chamber is 345, which is a little bit shy as well. And the height, I think, is going to be a bit shy as well, because our bricks are only so high. Our bricks are only 230 and they should be 280. As you can see, I'm only going to use pavers for the base of the burn chamber, and I'm going to protect them with a bit of dirt and ash, which I guess is going to even further reduce the height. Not sure I can do much about that. This looks like a bit of a compromise. I've got 300 for the rear of the firebox, and the original 230 for the front. And if I put some dirt in at the bottom to protect the bricks, the pavers, then I'll probably get the 280. So it's a little bit shy for that 5-inch system. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Okay, I've got my port of 47mm wide, but obviously I can't get 50mm deep because of the brick size. And now to cap it off. So I'll have a cooking plate on top of here. That's a gap that'll need to be pushed across, and my riser will be here. So 5-inch riser if we can, and if we can't, well, so be it. And because my port is a little bit high, I'm going to start packing a little bit of dirt at the bottom. So I've packed a bit of dirt into the base of the burn chamber, so that the height of the burn chamber now at the rear, at least near the port, is correct, and also the height of the venturi port. So now I just need to build up the riser and give it a test. Running out of fire bricks, so resorting to ordinary red brick. So this is what I've got so far. I'm going to have a cooking plate on top of here. On top of here I'm going to use a wok for cooking. Currently the gases are vented out here, but what I want to do is take a chimney out this side or that side and have a chimney up here. So running out of materials, so let's see what we can do anyway. I might just do a test burn anyway, just to see if I can harden up the clay before the rain starts. I've stacked the kindling I've stacked the kindling inside and put some paper on top. Don't know if you can see the kindling. Get the fire going through the port and see what happens. Since I don't really have a chimney, I'm simulating that with a bit of a USB fan, and let's have a look. So that's that plate, cooking plate, is at 200, I think, 200 degrees Celsius, 220 degrees Celsius. And let's see what we got down the riser. Quite a decent vortex. I think we could probably use a wok on top of this. As an alternative, cooking directly over the combustion chamber, and still a pretty decent vortex coming up this side. Found a chimney, smokeless fire, or maybe a little bit of smoke coming out, but not surprising since the riser isn't insulated with anything. Can you show me the fire? It's died down a bit now. That's probably why there's no there's by a bit of smoke.